Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can control your volume without volume button on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. There will be some methods that you can try to control your volume without the volume button. The first one, you can go to the quick setting panel and then you will find the volume icon right here. And here you can control it guys. You can go to the setting by tapping and hold on the volume icon, and you can go to the volume and you can control the ringtone volume right here, and then the media, notification system, AI assistant, and also the alarm. And I'm going to control my oops my media, volume for media like this. Okay, and I'm going to go back guys, and the next one guys, you can use the assistant menu. So this is how the assistant menu looks like, and to display the assistant menu on your screen, you need to activate it on setting, and here you can control the volume, okay, for the media volume and also the ringtone volume. And I'm going to show you how you can activate the assistant menu. Just go to your settings. Okay, wait. I'm going to open up my settings and then go to the accessibility. Where is it? Okay, right here. And go to the interaction and dexterity. And here you can activate your assistant menu and make sure that the volume menu or the volume item has been added to the assistant menu. You can customize the items right here. Go to the assistant menu and you can choose select assistant menu items, and make sure that you add this volume icon or this volume menu. Okay, and you can control your volume or adjust your volume without using the volume button. Just use this assistant menu. Yeah, it's simple, and it will be very useful guys if you have problem on your volume button on your Samsung Galaxy phone. I recommend you to activate this assistant menu. Okay guys, and that's how you can control or adjust your phone volume without the volume button. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.